Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare cabbage toast. This turned out excellent. You can prepare many different variations in the same recipe. Now let's look into the ingredients and process and get started. We have thinly sliced or thinly chopped the cabbage, onions and green chilies. If you're preparing this for kids, add chili powder. We have also used mozzarella cheese for this recipe, bread slices and Italian seasoning. So that's about it. You can prepare different variations in this particular filling. You can add spring onions, you can add bell peppers or grated carrots. Avoid the chilies completely. It's totally up to you how you want to prepare this filling. Now on medium flame I've placed a wok. I've added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the olive oil is nice and hot, I've added the thinly sliced onions, cabbage and chilies. I've prepared this recipe in different variations. Every time it's different. So whatever vegetable I have, I try to use it up, like carrots or bell peppers, even spring onions. If I have spinach, I'll finely chop spinach and also add spinach to this. So there are different variations I've prepared in this particular recipe. It's not the same all the time, but this is a basic filling I'm showing you. Once I finish frying the cabbage and onions for a minute's time, I've added salt and a quarter cup of water. Don't add too much of water. We just need to cook this cabbage and onions for just 2 minutes. That's about it. Don't cook it for a very longer period of time. We need that crunch in the onion and cabbage. Now at this point, I've added 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to fry it and place this on medium high flame and allow the excess moisture to reduce. That's about it. And once the moisture has reduced, my cabbage filling is ready. So at this point, moisture has completely evaporated. The cabbage has got that crunch, but at the same time it's cooked. So that's what I want. So once all the moisture content has evaporated, I'm going to remove this filling from the flame and reserve it and start assembling my toast. You can use even wheat bread for this recipe. Regular white bread is what we are using for this recipe, but you can use wheat bread. I've just started to layer my bread with mozzarella cheese. First layer, very thin layer of mozzarella cheese. And on top of that, I'm going to place about 2 tablespoons of the filling. Just spread it out evenly. And again, sprinkle a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top of it. I'll be covering this with another slice of bread and start toasting it. So you can prepare a bunch of these slices and reserve it before toasting. I've heated a tawa. Use a non-stick pan or a skillet. So once my tawa is nice and hot, to that I've added 1 tablespoon of oil and I've transferred my bread to the tawa. I'm going to start toasting it. I'm going to add a little bit of oil as I'm toasting it. Place it on very low to medium flame while toasting your bread. So keep turning it and toast it till your desired consistency, because it has to turn crisp on the top. At the same time, the cheese has to melt inside. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video. For regular updates, follow me on social media. That's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video. In roughly about 2 minutes I prepared about 5 slices of this toast, and it was very nice and tasty. So it's a very economical and a very simple dish that you can prepare. It's very tasty at the same time. So once I finished toasting all my slices of bread, I've gone ahead and served it with a dip. You can serve this with ranch or with tomato ketchup. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more videos, friends. I've gone ahead and served my toast with some dip. Turned out excellent. So do try this recipe and post your comments. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.